All right, folks, today we're looking at 38 Grand Canyon Drive. This is a single family home, 2,695 square feet, offered at $248,000. We're in the Westbank in the Park Timbers subdivision. This is an absolutely excellent opportunity here. I'm happy to show this to y'all so you can see just how much home you can get for $248,000 just over the bridge in the Westbank. Here's our media room. I love this with the shades pulled and the slight blue on the walls and the dimmer switch. You can really make this feel like a great little media room or home movie theater. Here's a half bath right at the front door. Closet, coat closet. They have a bunch of books in there. This is the real money room in the house, in my opinion. It is huge. We've got our bar right here, a little wet bar. Sitting area, working fireplace, dining room incorporated with our living room, and then our kitchen. It's got a great open concept between those rooms. Stainless steel appliances, great airiness to this house that I really like. I think it's been well furnished too. Our seller has good tastes. Here's a little laundry room, takes you out to the back, and I'll show you that a little later. These French doors look out on your lawn. Now I'll show you the master bedroom, which is also a spectacular room. I really like the floors in here, and they're beautiful. So there's our master bedroom. As you can see, it's very, very large. Here's our master bath. Plenty of room. And this has our closets incorporated in. So master bath and master closets all together. I like all that bar space too. I mean, now we're going upstairs. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. One, two. A little bonus room / workout area, I guess. Little linen closet. Bathroom. And that's a full bath, of course. And our 3rd bedroom. All these rooms have great light. We've got carpet up here. So now I'll take us back downstairs and show y'all the backyard and 2-car garage we have. Tons of off-street parking. I really like this room. Look at all the seating in this room. Really a house designed for entertaining or those of us with big families. I'll show you the yard. As you can hear, there's a security system too. One of those ones that likes to chime at you all the time. But that's good for security. Here's the yard, and I was just telling the buyers I was showing this to, it's the perfect size yard. Not too big where you need to hire someone, but enough space where it feels like a great spacious yard, and great landscaping throughout this whole property. That's our 2-car garage right there. And unfortunately, I do not have the keys to it. But you can have the experience of looking through into a 2-car garage. So that's what we've got here, 38 Grand Canyon Drive, offered at $248,000. Really an excellent opportunity to get all of this house. We have 8 showings today, so I'm going to try to post this up as soon as I can on Wednesday so y'all have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.